How to download your own Instagram Reels videos. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your profile page, and then what you have to do is you have to go to your Reels videos tab by clicking on this Reels icon. And then what you can do is you can open any of the videos that you want to save to download. So firstly you have to open any of the Reels video, and then click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. You have to click on the three dots, and in the most bottom you can see the save to camera roll. You have to click on the save to camera roll, and it is saying that download with without audio. So if you want to download without audio, it means if your audio is copyrighted, then you can't download it without with audio. So if your uh, so that's it. So please make sure your audio is copyright not copyrighted. So after that copyrighted, so you have to and then you have to click on the download button, and it is downloading. So and then you can see in your home screen save to camera roll. So that's basically it, that how you can download your own Instagram Reels video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that. Have a good day.